Now we are looking at day 3. Again, you were reading and identifying the main idea and key supporting details on pages 22 and 23 of the text. You can see those here. And on page 22, we learned more about this creature, and this nonfiction text feature really supports what we're reading here in the text about the blunt-headed vine snake. We learned that it can hold its body straight out in the air, and doing that allows it to be able to catch a lizard or to grab its prey. On the next page, we read about other snakes, pythons that are also called boa constrictors, and we learned that, as seen here in the illustration, they wrap themselves so tightly around even larger animals that we may think are more aggressive, like an alligator. Like, how are they able to do that? So they wrap their bodies around this creature so tightly that it cuts off the blood flow, and eventually this animal will die. Now, if we're thinking about the main idea, what these 2 pages were mostly about, we might say something like, snakes use their bodies in different ways to catch their prey. Because they're doing this a different way, each of these snakes mentioned. So I think that the most important part is how there are different ways for snakes to catch their prey. They don't all do it the same way. So a detail that supports that main idea, we could refer to the information we learned here about the blunt-headed vine snake. So the blunt-headed vine snake can hold its body straight out into the air to catch its prey. Again, you may have something slightly different. Another key detail, I referred to this picture right here and the information I learned in this section of the text. And how does that support that main idea that they have different ways of catching their prey? Well, pythons wrap themselves so tightly around their prey until the animal is dead. Why aren't we highlighting? There we go. Okay, so now that we've gone over day 3, your graphic organizer should be complete. Again, your answers may look slightly different from mine, and that is okay. We're working to understand what main idea is and how we can pull details in the text that support. Great job this week on that graphic organizer.